Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find integrations on your BikeMap. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here until you will find here integrations. Just click on it. It's going to show for you like this, and here just click on resend. Then it's going to send to your email here on your app. So and here can you connect with Garmin here or here or here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.